Good morning, students. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic. The topic is sentence. What is a sentence? The first question arises, what is a sentence? The question, what is a sentence, is also a sentence. There is an answer behind the sentence. The answer is the meaningful group of words. The answer is the meaningful group of words is called sentence. Understand? But it is partially right answer. The meaningful groups of what is called sentence. It is partially right. What is fully right? Fully right is the meaningful groups of word which give complete sense of it. The meaningful group of word which gives complete sense of it is called sentence. That's the answer of what is a sentence. For example, why this is that a sentence? The answer is no. But we can say that, sir, you also told the meaningful group of what is called sentence. The why this is a sentence, but it is not giving the meaningful sense, so we cannot call it a sentence. I write it, the meaningful group of what which give complete sense, which give complete sense is called sentence. That is written as, this is a boy. This sentence gives complete sense, so we can say that this is a sentence. Now we are going to see such more examples. She is a girl. Mohan will dance. These are also examples of sentence. We can derive some more things from these examples. What can we derive it? Every sentence has two parts. Every sentence has two parts. We can derive it. She, Mohan. In both of these sentences, she and Mohan is a subject. So we can say that sentence has a subject. Sentence has a subject. And is a girl will dance. It tells more about Mohan. It tells this part of sentence tells more about Mohan. Mohan will dance. This part of sentence told more about Mohan. She is a girl. This part of sentence tells more about she. So we can see that subject has another part which is known as predicate. Subject has another part which a sentence has another part which is known as predicate. Now we reach at the conclusion that sentence has two parts. One is subject and another is predicate. What is subject? Subject is main part of sentence which is a doer. And what is predicate? Predicate tells more about the sentence, more about the subject, and more about the doer. So in this class we discuss about sentence, what is sentence, what is subject, and what is predicate. In the next class we will discuss about kinds of sentence. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence. Both of these is called assertive sentence. Interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory. So many types of sentences we will discuss in further classes. Thank you very much.